Welcome back. Some more MCQs based on CRPC. Any effort to settle disputes and claims by applying pressure through criminal prosecution should depend upon the present criminal system, should depend upon the discretion of the court, should be deprecated and discouraged, should not be deprecated and discouraged. Option C. If the police do not take action on complaint in respect of cognizable offence, the complainant has right under section 190 of CRPC to complain before local magistrate, has no right under section 190 of CRPC to complain before local magistrate, has right under section 290 of the CRPC to complain before magistrate, has right under section 390 of the CRPC to complain before magistrate. Answer option A. The procedure for trial before a court of session is provided under sections 260 to 265 of CRPC, 238 to 250 of CRPC, 251 to 259 of CRPC, 225 to 237 of CRPC. Option D. The offence committed under which section of IPC is not compoundable under section 320 of CRPC, section 352, section 353, section 354 and section 355. Answer option B. Within the meaning of section 311A of CRPC, who among the following authorities has power to order person to give specimen signature or handwriting? Magistrate of first class, magistrate of second class, sessions judge, any magistrate. Option A. In camera trial refers to open trial, trial broadcast on television with the help of camera, trial to which public and press are not allowed, summary trial. Option C. The Directorate of Prosecution, the provision added in the CRPC by the Code of Criminal Procedure Amendment Act 2005 shall be established by central government, each state government, CBI, RO. Option B. Plea bargaining. A new chapter was added in Criminal Procedure Code 1973 by the Criminal Law Amendment Act 2005 is contained in Section 265A to 65E, Sections 265A to 265L, Sections 265A to 265M, 265A to 265N. Option B. Irregularities which do not violate proceedings have been stated in Section 460 of CRPC, Section 461 of CRPC, Section 462 of CRPC, Section 486 of CRPC. Answer option A. Classification of offences given in the Code of Criminal Procedure under Section 320, the first schedule, the second schedule, Section 482. Answer the first schedule, that is option B. Use of reports of certain government scientific experts as evidence is given is dealt with under Section 293, Section 387, Section 280, Section 289. Option Section A. Which of the following deals with the discharge from custody? Section 603, Section 442, Section 388, Section 512. Answer B. The requirement of affidavit in proof of conduct of public servant is mentioned in Section 265, Section 387, Section 295, Section 289. Answer option C. Which of the following section binds an entrepreneur to interpret truthfully? Section 282, Section 387, Section 280, Section 289. Answer A. Which of the following section deals with the execution of commissions? Section 286, Section 387, Section 280, Section 289. Option A. Return of commissions after its execution is given under Section 265, Section 387, Section 288, Section 289. Answer C. The provision for the execution of foreign commission is given in Section 290 CRPC, Section 387 CRPC, Section 280 CRPC, Section 289. Option A. The word removal means causing vacation of home as a result of misconduct or misbehavior or any other similar cause. Causing vacation of office as a result of misconduct or misbehavior or any other similar cause. Causing vacation of college as a result of misconduct or misbehavior or any other similar issue. Causing vacation of a colony as a result of misconduct or misbehavior or any other similar cause. Answer B. The personal attendance of the accused can be dispensed with under section 207, 206, 205, 256. Answer option C. Under section 216 of CRPC, the court has the power to add to the charges already framed, alter the charge already framed, only alter and not to add to be charge already framed, and add to and alter the charge both. Option D, that is add to and alter the charge both. അപ്പോൾ ഇതോടുകൂടി ഈ വീഡിയോ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആവാണ്. അടുത്തൊരു വീഡിയോ ഇപ്പം തന്നെ ഇടുന്നതായിരിക്കും.